We really enjoy working with Workforce because they're really responsive, helpful, and truly understand our needs. Hi, my name is Adriana Godinez, and I am the store manager at Ranch Market here in Sanger.
Hi, my name is Donovan Ramirez, and I've been working here at the Ranch Market for 3 months.
My name is Guadalupe Limes, and I've been working here in Ranch Market for a month.
Ranch Market is a neighborhood grocery store that has been serving our community here in Sanger for over a year. We provide fresh produce, pantry staples, household items, and personalized customer service.
I deal with everything produce. I'll stock produce, I'll do rotations in produce.
After I started working here, I've learned to be on register.
We are a great place to work because we treat our team like family, and we're committed to giving second chances to those who are ready to work hard and grow.
I usually worked with Miriam. She helped me a lot during when I was in my register.
We've been a client with Workforce Connections for over 7 months. They've helped us find reliable team members quickly, which has been a big support during our busiest seasons.
Well, at Workforce Connection, they definitely trained me with interviews, and they also did help me with problem-solving skills and customer service skills.
Workforce constantly connects us with the people who are ready to work and eager to learn.
While working with Workforce Connection, the thing that helped me the most when I would do like my interview practices with Workforce Connection.
My experience at Workforce Connection was they were very welcoming, and they were very thorough in teaching me how to do things and walking me through the process of everything. The assessments that they put me through at the workforce definitely helped me find a general direction that I wanted to go in my life and what I wanted to do with it.
As we expand our store and services, we plan to continue working with Workforce Connections to meet staffing needs and give more people the chance to grow with us.
I'm definitely more confident from this experience. I would most definitely recommend Workforce Connection for other people, any age.
I'd like to thank the Fresno Regional Workforce Development Board for this award and Elizabeth Rodriguez for this nomination. Thank you very much.